Man was drugged and robbed, but this time this didn't happen in Colombia. I told you so. Check out this video.
Robbery caught on camera. A woman allegedly gets away with more than $600,000 worth of jewelry after police say she drugged a man. It happened last week at an apartment on the 800 block of Northeast 1st Street. Police tell us the suspect met the victim at a local restaurant earlier in the night. The two shared a drink at his home and he fell asleep. When he woke up at noon, his safe was open, his jewelry missing, and the woman was gone. Among the items taken, 2 Rolex watches, a gold chain, gold bracelets, Cartier sunglasses, and a diamond ring. If you recognize this woman or know where she might be, call Miami-Dade Crime Stoppers at 305-471.
Yeah, I told you so. I told you so. I told you so. In other videos, I told you that you have to be careful. You just can't let anybody into where you stay. You know, I've been seeing this happening. It's like there's been a surge of men getting drugged in the States. And this is the same playbook that happens in Medellin. And I think it has a lot to do with that. And because I noticed the increase in Las Vegas, I've heard that there was men getting drugged by, what the drug called ketamine in Las Vegas. So now this situation is spreading into Miami, okay? So let's read this article for a second, okay? The police in Miami are searching for a woman accused of drugging a man she went out on a date with and stealing more than $600,000 in Rolexes and other jewelry from him. Police released surveillance video of the suspect and urged the public to contact them if they recognize her. Now check this out. From the Miami Police Department, the man met the woman in a club. There's 2 places where these women will usually pick up men at, and they try to hook up with you at. Usually at a bar or usually at a club. This usually happens. And what these women do, these are high maintenance women that are doing this. Okay? These are not pros, these are professional thieves. Okay? And these are high value women that are doing this type of stuff, especially in Las Vegas. And one thing about these women, they are so smooth how they do it. What they do is they befriend you. What they do is you might be at a bar or something like that. You may be having a good time and they will come and they will strike up a conversation with you. And then suddenly they run you over, say how nice you look, how, and guys usually fall for it, But there is a red flag if you meet a high value woman. I mean, if she's like 11 or 10 or something like that, and she wants to go home with you on the first night, that's usually a red flag. Okay, let's read the rest of the article. Okay, they said that the Miami-Dade police, the man met the woman at a club, and on May the 7th, he took her back to his place around 5:30 a.m. the next morning. The man, who was not identified, said that he had a drink with the woman. I'm going to tell you something. Always watch your drink. It can happen in the blink of an eye. This type of stuff can happen to you in the blink of an eye. You can turn your back 1 second and she can put something in your drink. Matter of fact, this happened to a friend of mine. He went to Vegas for a bachelor party. Him and his friends went out to a bar. They was always having a good time, celebrating their friend's wedding, because it was a bachelor's party, a bachelor party. And then this girl comes up to him, and she talks to him, she hits on him and everything, and he thinks that the girl was really like in love, really liked him. So he allowed the girl to go back with him to his Airbnb, right? But the girl said, let's stop and get something to drink. They stop at the store, get something to drink. They go back to his place. And he said they start popping popcorn. She said she wanted to watch a movie. So they start drinking and everything. Everything was fine, okay? So he said he goes into the bathroom. He comes back. He left his drink unattended, which is a no-no. He comes back. He sits on the couch. He has a drink, and he's totally knocked out. And this woman took his computer, took his wallet, took his money, took everything. He woke up in the morning, and he was robbed. And this happened in Vegas. And one thing I noticed in Vegas that I heard is that they use ketamine. Like in Colombian, they use scopolamine. But some of these other girls in the States, they use what you call ketamine to knock you out. So that's what they was doing in Vegas. But what I'm seeing is that this is starting to become mainstream now. This is like evolving. Like the playbook in Medellin. First we always talk about scopolamine there. But I'm just saying, no matter where you go, always watch your drink at all times. Do not trust anybody with your drink. Do not take your eyes. And another thing, like I said, if you meet someone for the first time, you meet someone maybe at a bar or something like that, if they want to go home with you on the first night, that is a red flag. I would run if I were you. Okay, I just wanted to leave you with that. And make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. And I'm headed out to Colombia very soon. I'm not going to tell you exactly when, but I got more content on the way, and I appreciate you for watching this video. Like I said, just stay safe out there, guys. Stay safe, okay? All right, thank you.